Chapter 7 Lists, Tables and Images in HTML. Revising HTML tags. Tags. HTML. This tag tells the browser about the beginning of an HTML document. Syntax. HTML. HTML. Head. This tag marks the beginning of the header section. It is a container tag. Syntax. Head. Head. Title. This tag tells the browser what to display as the title of the web page. Syntax. Title. Title. Body. All other tags and the text to be displayed on the web page appear under the body tag. Syntax. Body. Body. Heading tags. Heading tags in HTML are used to create headings and subheadings, which provide structure and hierarchy to the content of a web page. Syntax. HN, where n is equal to 1 to 6. Line break tag. This tag is used to create a new line or a line break within a block of text. Syntax. BR. Horizontal rule tag. This tag is used to draw a horizontal line across the page. Syntax. HR. Paragraph tag. This tag is used to display a long piece of text on a web browser. Syntax. P. Bold tag. This tag is used when you need to emphasize on the text. Syntax. B. Italics tag. This tag is used to draw the attention of a reader towards any important information. Syntax. 1. Underline tag. This tag is used to underline any text on a web page. Syntax. U. Image tag. This tag is used to embed an image on a web page. Syntax. IMG. Lists. A list is the most efficient way of presenting information in a precise manner. It helps in making important points stand out more clearly, thereby grabbing a visitor's attention. Whether it is the minutes of a meeting, a list of items, or the table of contents of a document, you will find the use of a list in all. HTML supports different elements to create a list for displaying items in a specific order. It can be defined in different styles. The types of lists that you can create in HTML are unordered list, ordered list, description list. Unordered list. An unordered list is used when the items are not required to be displayed in any particular sequence. The list begins and ends with ul and ul tags, respectively. It indents each item in the list and adds a bullet against each of them. It is also known as bulleted list. The lead tag is used to display the list of items given in any of the two list types, i.e., unordered and ordered list. Look at the code given here to create an unordered list. Ordered list. An ordered list is used to display the list of items in a specific order. An ordered list indents and gives a number to each item in the list. That is why it is also known as numbered list. The list begins and ends with OL and OL tags, respectively. Ordered lists are mostly used in situations where the order of items is significant or where it is required to keep account on the number of items. For example, if the steps are not demonstrated orderly in a recipe, the end result would not be as desired. Attributes of OL tag. Some commonly used attributes of OL tag are Start attribute. An ordered list automatically starts with number 1, but you can also start the list with a different number with the help of the start attribute. For example, if you write start 101, the ordered list numbering will start from 101. Reversed attribute. This attribute specifies that the list order should be in descending order. For example, OL start is equal to 5 reversed. Type attribute. This attribute specifies the type of numbering or bullet used to mark items in the list. By default, its value is 1 for an ordered list and disk for an unordered list. Syntax. For unordered list, OL type is equal to value where value is equal to disk vertical bar square vertical bar circle. For ordered list, OL type is equal to value where value is equal to a vertical bar 1 vertical bar 1 vertical bar 1. Number style. Result. Description. OL type is equal to A, B, C. Uppercase letters. OL type is equal to A, B, C. Lowercase letters. OL type is equal to I, 1, 2, 3. Uppercase Roman numbers. OL type is equal to I, 1, 2, 3. Lowercase Roman numbers. OL type is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3. Sequence of numbers. Default. List properties. Some of the list properties are discussed as follows. List style type. This property specifies the bullet style that will be used as the type of list item marker. Syntax. List style type. Value. Where values for the unordered list are none vertical bar, disk vertical bar, circle vertical bar, square. Disk is the default value, and values for ordered list are decimal leading 0 vertical bar lower Roman upper Roman vertical bar lower alpha vertical bar upper alpha. Decimal is the default value. List style image. With this property, you can specify an image as the list item marker. Syntax. List style image. Value. Where value is equal to URL, part of the image, vertical bar none. List style position. You can specify the position of the list item markers with the help of this property, i.e., to make them appear inside or outside the content flow. Syntax. List style position. Value. Where value inside outside. List style. This is the shorthand property wherein all the list properties can be specified in one. Declaration. Syntax. List style. Value. Where value for list style type vertical bar value for list style position vertical bar value for list style image. Nested list. A nested list is a list inside any other list. An ordered and an unordered list can be nested within each other to form a multi-level list. To create a nested list, follow the given code. Doc type. HTML. Head. Title. Nested list title. Style. Body. Background color. RGB. 255, 251, 214. OL. List style type. Lower Roman. UL. List style type. Circle. Description list. A description list consists of a term followed by its definition. It is used to present a glossary, list of terms, or other name-value lists. It starts and ends with DL and DL tag, respectively. The DL tag is used in conjunction with DT and DD tags where the DT tag is used to define the terms or names. The DD tag is used to describe each term or name. Tables. Tables provide an attractive way of presenting information in the form of rows and columns. They are extremely popular to be used in web pages as they are quite flexible. Advantages of tables. The advantages of tables are discussed as follows. Tables present information or data in a comprehensive manner. Tables help in comparative analysis of data. Information displayed in tables is easier to read and quicker to evaluate. Let us have a look at the various terms to define a table. Creating a table in HTML. To create a table in HTML, the table tag is used. Each table begins with a table tag and ends with table tag. You can define various attributes of a table inside the table tag as given below. Each row in a table begins with the tr table row tag and ends with the tr tag. The rows must always be inside the table tag. The columns contain cells, each of which begins with the td table data tag and ends with the td tag. The td tag must always be present inside the row tags tr. To specify a column heading, you use the eth tag that also ends with the eth tag. It makes the text bold. The caption tag is used to specify the title for the table. Table properties. The following properties can be applied to a table to enhance its appearance and make it attractive. Border. This property helps in specifying the border width, border style and border color of the table and its cells. Syntax. Border, value. Where? Value for border width, vertical bar value for border style, vertical bar value for border color. Let us apply this property on the above example. Horizontal and vertical alignment. The horizontal align and vertical align properties are used to set the horizontal and vertical alignment of the text, respectively, in a table. These properties are used with the eth or td tag. By default, the horizontal alignment for the contents of eth is center-aligned and for td is left-aligned. The default value of vertical alignment is set to middle alignment. Syntax. Text align. Value. Horizontal alignment. Where? Value is equal to left vertical bar center vertical bar right. Vertical align. Value. Vertical alignment. Where? Value is equal to top vertical bar middle vertical bar bottom. Hover. This property, if enabled, highlights the table cell, row or column with a specified color when you hover your mouse over it. It is used with the tr, eth or td tag. Syntax. Tr. Hover, background, cyan. Table layout. This property is used to set the layout for a table. It is used with the table tag. Syntax. Table layout, value. Where? Value auto fixed initial. Auto. Using this value, the column width is set equal to the maximum width of the content in the column. Fixed. The column width depends on the width of the table and columns, not on the contents of the cells. Initial. The default value is used for the column width. Border spacing. This property is used to specify the distance between the borders of the adjacent cells. Syntax. Border spacing, value. Where? Value is equal to horizontal spacing in px/cm vertical bar spacing in px/m. Example. Border spacing 10 px horizontal and vertical spacing set to 10 px. Border spacing 10 px 20 px horizontal and vertical spacing set to 10 px and 20 px respectively. Border collapse. With this property, one can specify whether the table borders are to be collapsed into a single border or detached as usual. Syntax. Border collapse, value. Where? Value separate I collapse. Example. Border collapse, collapse. Caption side. It specifies the placement of a table caption. Syntax. Caption side, value. Where? Value is equal to top, default, vertical bar bottom. Example. Caption side, bottom. Empty cells. This property helps in specifying whether or not the border and background are to be placed around the empty cells in a table. Syntax. Empty cells, value. Where? Value is equal to show, defaulty hide. Example. Empty cells, hide. Height and width. Prokti Praktityahon share. Email paripurigale.com. Using these properties, you can set the height and width of the table. syntax, height, value, width, value, where value is equal to length in px/cm%. Example, height 100 px, width 25%. Padding. This property helps in specifying the space between the border and content in a table. Syntax, padding, value, where value is equal to top padding vertical bar, right padding vertical bar, left padding vertical bar, bottom padding in px/cm%. Example, padding 2px 3px 3px to px top, to px, right 3px, left 3px, bottom to px. Padding 2px 3px 3px, top to px, right and left 3px, bottom 3px. Padding 2px 3px, top and bottom 2px, right and left 3px. Padding 2px, all 4 paddings of 2px each. Inserting images in a table. You can also insert an image in a table cell. Let us understand it with the help of the following activity.